In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polished presentation with Genspark AI Slides. We'll walk through the entire process from signing in to exporting your final deck, keeping things simple and efficient. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank idea to a clean, ready-to-share presentation. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. Give yourself a moment to land on the main workspace so you can see all the available tools. A stable connection helps here because the AI will generate several slides at once. From the main workspace, head to the AI Slides feature. You'll usually find it clearly labeled, and opening it brings you to a focused space designed specifically for building slide decks with AI assistance. Next, enter your topic, a detailed prompt, or paste relevant source material. The more context you give, the better the results. Include things like your audience, the tone you want, and any key points that must be covered. For example, you might specify that you need an executive overview with 3 main sections and a clear call to action. If you have notes or a draft, paste those in so the AI can anchor your slides to accurate content. Let Genspark generate the slide deck automatically. This part only takes a moment. You'll see it produce a title slide, sections, and talking points based on what you provided. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first pass. Think of it as a strong starting draft that you'll refine. Now review the slides and edit the content, design, or structure. Read through each slide for clarity and accuracy. Tighten long sentences, remove repetition, and make sure the flow logically builds from introduction to conclusion. If something feels out of order, rearrange the slides until the narrative feels natural. Double-check facts, dates, and any figures to ensure everything is correct. Add or adjust visuals, headings, and layouts as needed. Choose images or icons that reinforce your message. Keep headings concise and use consistent fonts and colors so the deck feels cohesive. Pay attention to contrast and spacing so text is easy to read. If a slide feels crowded, split it into 2. Aim for 1 main idea per slide with visuals that support, not distract from, your key point. Finally, save or export the finished presentation. Pick the format that fits your workflow, name the file clearly, and store it where your team can access it. Before you share, do a quick pass to ensure everything looks good on the device you'll present from. That's it. Your presentation is ready to go.